Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we're talking about graphs. Now graphs are something that can help you understand information in a really easy way. So now I drew some fruit on this page and we're going to make a graph of the fruit. Now how many apples do we have up here? Can you supersize it? That's right, there's 3. I'm going to go ahead and write 3. Okay, and then how many grapes below? Can you supersize that? That's right, there's 6. Alright, kind of a messy 6, a little bit hard to draw on the computer, but we have 3 apples and 6 grapes. Now, down here is where you could participate. Get a piece of paper, you can pause this video, get a piece of paper and a pencil or a marker, something like that, and you can draw what I've drawn here, which is a graph. And on this side here, I drew a small apple to indicate this is going to be the apple side. And then a grape, a little bit bigger than a grape would be in relation to the apple. But just so we could see it, I drew a grape here, and this is going to be the grape side. Okay? So don't worry if it's not as straight as these lines are. I have a tool to make them perfectly straight here. So if it's not straight, no worries. So you can go ahead and pause the video, and you can draw the fruit up here if you want, but at least draw the graph here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots this way, and then it goes 1, 2, and this. So it's kind of like a 10 frame, but with an extra couple squares there. Okay. All right. So now, if you've drawn your deposit through your graph here and your fruit, let's go ahead and finish our graph. Let's complete our graph. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and get black. And I'm just going to make some dots here as we indicate how many each fruit we have. We had 3 apples. So 1, 2, 3. All right. Now let's indicate the grapes. How many grapes? 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so 3 grapes and 3 apples.
Ms. Mouse and Ms. Russo, if you're in the building, please come to the office.
3 apples and 6 grapes. There's our graph. Now, if we came up here and looked real quickly and didn't see these numbers, we could look and say, oh, well, there's a lot more of these filled in, so I know that there's a lot more of this fruit than that. So graphs help us to understand information in a really easy way. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me today for math.